Honey, that's a plate. What can I do with this? We met through work. We were both at the military base here in Virginia, so we started talking.
I was like, hey, she's a pretty nice lady.
Nice lady.
So what am I supposed to say? We've been together for 12 years.
I transitioned out of the military. My heart and love and passion has always been interior design, so that's what I do.
I'm retired military. I'm currently studying for my master's to become an environmental health safety occupational. We've been living in Williamsburg for 4 years. We built a new build house. We were the 5th one in the neighborhood.
But when a house was built close to them on a previously vacant lot, they decided it was time to sell.
It ended up being really, really close to our house.
Yeah,
so
very
we did
close.
enjoy our front porch. It got to the point that when we got on our front porch, it just felt like, we felt closed in.
I would like to see an older community, so then that way we're not given any surprises or, aha, this is gonna appear, or. So I'm looking for the traditional Williamsburg colonial style home in Williamsburg, where it all started. It's a place that has so much history. We've seen where slave owners owned the land, but now we, from our ancestors who were slaves, can now be a part of that. We can actually own it and break the tradition and change the trajectory of history now.
So I do like that, this space right here has an open floor plan, but I just want it to be bigger, because we have so much company, coming over. So I want to have it a space so everybody can sit in an island that's like twice this size. I have 3 children. They're all adults. They have their own lives, but we all hang out together because they like to hang around us, so we hang out often. We'll go all over. Hopefully we can find a house that, has a foyer, that's a 2-story.
Is a foyer really that important?
Yes, I want separate space when you enter the house that, you can take your shoes off, that you're not walking directly into the home, so I can keep the house looking very neat.
With $700,000, just by increasing the price for a little bit more, we can get what we really want.
We need to keep it low. Within that price rate of $600,000, this time in our lives, we're free, we can do whatever we want. Get up and go, and I want to get up and go as much as possible throughout the year.
I don't see anything to me that stands out like colonial style. That's what I'm really looking for.
But they're nice. They're nicely spaced apart.
But with that space comes a higher price tag.
$697,000 just eats up way too much of our money. The money I had set aside to furnish the new house.
Is that it? Is that the house? I
really hate the brick.
But you gotta tell me, you can't tell me this house is not nice.
The brick?
The pillars on
it
it.
just looks so dark.
Kit, what's happening?
Hey, how you doing? Pretty good.
So what are they gonna do with that piece of property over there?
That is a preserve, so they are not going to build on that.
We heard that before, but hey, I'm happy. I'm celebrating anyway.
Well, let's see what else this house has in store for you, so come on in.
Ooh, look at this. Okay.
The difficulty in finding a place for Deborah is just the fact that she is a designer. So she will literally pick apart just about every home that we see. So this home is really unique. It has a lot of colonial features mixed in with the traditional builds that I think Kurt will really like. Now, when you get inside, it's really updated and modern. And I think Deborah will really, really, really like that.
I am happy that it is open, but I really wish there was like a 2-story foyer and had a little bit more wow appeal to it.
Yeah, it did look like it, because you see, it's deceiving from on the outside, so I see what you're saying.
Yeah, from the outside, it looked like it would have had a double,
I don't mind it being modern in the inside. I'm okay with that.
And then here we have just this amazing large island.
Yes,
granite
love it.
countertops.
I love that.
And I see it got a gas range, too, as well.
I love the cooktop.
And we open right up to this formal dining room.
This is really, really nice. I love the tray ceiling. Definitely have to upgrade these lights. Wow, love this feature here.
Your yard literally goes on for miles back there.
Yes, I love that. I love the tree line. Back here is really, really nice.
This could be my office.
Do like lots of natural light coming in too. Nice big window.
That's what I'm looking for, a place where I can concentrate, nice and quiet.
Here is your guest bath.
See, I see projects in here. This definitely needs to be updated.
I mean, how much more do you want? It's a guest.
I want it to be luxurious. I want it to be really, really custom and make it our home and make it really special.
But we don't want to make the guests feel so special that they stay.
That's a good point. So let's check out the rest of the house.
Okay, this is nice. Lots
Like
of
this.
natural light. Look at this window. Really nice. Look at this view.
I really love the size of this room, and I know Deborah don't like it, but I love the carpet in the room.
I'm okay with the carpet in the guest bedrooms.
Double sinks.
Now, this is worth replacing in here because it's something that we're going to enjoy, not the guests.
Yes. And definitely need to replace the light fixtures. They're outdated.
The good thing is that the lighting fixtures won't hurt your budget too much. But replacing those countertops could be costly. So you're probably looking at about another $2,000 just because of the size of that space. To make up for it, you have this large two-person shower. Go ahead, both of you guys get in. Just
Wow.
look how much space is in there. We can literally have a party in that shower.
Yes.
All
Really
right.
nice.
I like it.
Another guest bath.
Wow, this is dated also.
It's kind of like that blank slate, and they really go for something that's just midway and neutral so that most buyers can see themselves here.
It's just starting to ring up, you know? Ching ching, I hear.
We have 2 additional bedrooms to show you up here.
Yeah, very bright. Wow,
like
this is
it.
a nice big room also.
I like that the houses are not close together and there's a lot of yard space. The whole upstairs has carpet. I like that.
I would really like to paint the brick exterior, so we'll have to check with the HOA on that to see if that's even possible. There's also a lot that I want that this house doesn't have, and especially at this price point, I would really like to have more.
Kirk and Deborah are hoping they can find common ground at this next place. It's updated and has a large separate guest suite, but the neighbors are close.
Oh, look how close they are. Man. At least I have a 2-car garage.
So what did y'all think of the house?
I like the house. It's really cute. It's very cottagey. It looks kind of beachy. Really nice.
Okay. It's a craftsman-style house that Deborah really likes, but I think it has some traditional elements that Kurt might find appealing. Come on in. Come on in.
I love this.
Coming
Nice.
in,
So nice.
starting with the true foyer.
Very
Coming into our right to this marvelous
Ooh,
kitchen.
love it, love it, love it. So pretty and bright. All these cabinets are so modern. I absolutely love them.
I ain't feeling
It's so
this, Deborah.
sleek.
It's very small, man. No natural gas.
Yeah, you know I love to cook. And I love cooking on my gas stove. I mean,
So that's something we can check out with
Yes.
the HOA to see if we can add later.
Is this electric or gas? This gas?
So that is actually an electric fireplace.
what is this?
Electric?
Oh, wow.
I was looking forward to the gas fireplace so that way, you know, have the real flames and things.
But it did a good job, you know, like making the surround, you know, make it look real. It looks nice.
Yes, I'm loving this. This is nice.
That backyard, the possibilities are endless. Off to our left here, we have a wonderful 2-car garage that I know you guys are both going to really like.
Okay, really nice. It's pretty big.
And Deborah, you are going to love the fact that there are no carpet on these stairs.
Yes, you know how I feel about carpet on stairs.
One of your guest room here. I can
Maybe an
see this
office.
one. Yeah, I was going to say that.
I just don't like this house being so close.
It's very
but-
close. Yeah.
I will
But-
give you guys blinds at closing.
I've always wanted the balcony off the primary suite. I can picture myself getting my coffee in the morning from the bar. Don't even have to go downstairs and stepping out here drinking my coffee in the morning.
Your
Let me
morning
give my
commute.
guy a high five. What's up, man? Good morning.
Come on in, guys. We're trying to wipe off her.
Man,
that is
my
pretty
neighbor
close.
is gonna be, you know, I'm a high five. I'm like, hey, I got wine over here.
So you do have a guest bathroom right here. And right off of this room, we have another guest bedroom. I think this space right here is gonna wow both of you.
Let's see
Come
what
on
she has.
inside.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I'm loving this. This is nice.
You cannot deny that this is
All
nice.
right, okay.
Sometimes I look at these homes, you know, how far I've come in life. And, you know, once living in a 1-bedroom house, I mean, this is like a mansion to me, you know? I can see our family here even when our parents come to visit. You know, this is a nice space right here for them. It's private, they get their own kitchen, so they don't have to feel like they're like living on top of us.
This one is priced well below your comfort zone
Yes.
at $595.
Just think all the things I can do to this house, all the upgrades I can do, all the custom furniture I can buy.
I mean, it's nice, it's pretty, but when you look at everything, the houses are very close, and I don't know. I'm looking for a more traditional colonial style. This house definitely does not look like Williamsburg. It definitely looks like it belongs in some other state. There's nothing that stands out to me that make me want to say that, yes, this is the house that I want to stay in. I love this.
Everything
Finally,
is brick.
kid got something for me.
So what did y'all think of the neighborhood?
I noticed everything is brick. Like the entire neighborhood is brick. All the houses are brick.
It is, but it's a lighter color brick than the traditional red, so I'm hoping that's a little balance for you, a little bit warmer than some of the colder brick tones.
Yeah. Ooh.
I like this. You know, this is my style right here. I'm loving it.
Absolutely hate the stairs and the awful carpet.
Well, I like the carpet on there because when we have guests, we don't have to hear them running up and down the steps. I mean, that's kind of a good thing.
This is space for him, but these ceilings with the texture on it is, I mean, the most awful thing.
But that's easy to do. We can sand that down. That's no problem.
That's a lot of work.
So right off this way, we have a powder room for your guests.
Okay, this is nice.
And check out this kitchen.
Wow, look at the size of
this
it.
kitchen you do not get in some of your new built homes where they kind of condense things.
And it's natural gas too.
Natural gas stove.
Yes.
It's a cute little space. I like the tray ceilings and the, the woodworking in here.
Woo, I like this.
Okay, I love the vaulted ceilings. I absolutely love the two-story. It's really nice.
Yes.
Ooh, this is quite large deck here.
I'm gonna put my grill out here.
It's very nice.
I like it. So how far does the property go over?
You literally have the lining of the trees to kind of show you where your property lines are.
Okay, awesome.
Your owner's suite.
Okay, this is nice. A little small.
Yeah, and they don't have carpet in here too as well. You know how much you hate carpet inside of the rooms?
A wonderful owner's ensuite.
I'm not
There's
even gonna fight you.
nothing wonderful about this bathroom. It's a 100% total gut job.
This is the one thing that we definitely can agree upon, Deborah.
Your guest suite going in.
Okay, it's a little upgraded in here. Not my style, but.
It's good for the guests. I mean, they're not gonna be here that long at least, you know.
Oh, wow, it's a really, really, really great space. It's very open. You could use, it's multifunctional. It's really nice.
So we could, even when we have guests, I mean, it's a nice place to get away. We don't have a basement, but at least we have this.
Yeah, this is a nice space.
Let's check out your next guest suite.
This is a nice space.
Yeah.
Small. I hate the stairs being in front of the door and the carpet steps. It's just a lot of work. I see it eating up all the money that I had for my decor.
I mean, I like it. The fact that we have different rooms, there's carpet upstairs. We don't have to worry about hearing our guests up on top of our head. There's different places where I can have an office space, Deborah have her space.
So talk about it in the car and get back to me and let me know.
The 2022 traditional.
That one, it was nice, except it was like so much red brick on the front. The house was really spaced apart.
That's almost max of what we want to spend. You know you're going to want to change out the light fixtures. You're going to want to do this. You're going to want to do that because you're a designer. But
and it was new also, brand new house. I mean, you can't beat that.
Then you got the 2019 Blue Craftsman.
I love that house.
I know you like it,
so
but
beautiful. Absolutely love the apartment upstairs.
But that don't say Williamsburg.
It's not what you like or the style that you like. Remember, it was $595. You can't beat that.
At least the Colonial brick house had a corner lot. You only had one person behind you that was separated by a bush.
One thing that concerns me is the entire neighborhood was brick. And when we walked inside, I just cannot stand the stairs. The entire house has to be gutted and remodeled. I mean, that was a lot.
2 rooms, a bathroom and a kitchen, that's it.
It feels so good to be settling in the house finally.
But did you really have to wrap all these glasses in this paper, man?
We have to keep them safe, or as you purchasing new glasses.
Yeah.
We chose a 2022 traditional.
It was a happy medium for both of us. So the traditional style with the modern style in the inside.
It's like the perfect neighborhood. The tree-lined backyard next door to us is a reserve, and no house could be built in that area.
On the side or behind us, so we are the surprise.
Yeah.
Hello, we're here. We went in at asking price and got asking price. It left us a little room to do some extra things in the house.
Everything in here that needs to be done is all cosmetic. I mean, it's a perfect space for us.